So we've got a dummy battery on the SV. I've tried it on the Blackbird, but there's no, it's not turning over, it's not even trying, but the alarm might have packed in on that. So I think we've got to dig deeper on that one to diagnose why that won't go. But the SV, the dummy battery's fitted, airbox removed, a bit of magic squirt to fire her into life. And she still won't go. Bit more squirt. So everything's working, it's just a fuel issue. I say just. The cars will want a complete overhaul, they'll be gummed up to hell and it'll be bad juice, no doubt.